Today, my guy.
Would have been open, right?
Today.
Yo, don't. You're making me nervous.
What you think I'm paying you for? All right, hold up before you open that completely. Open that up too.
Just got Coke on my tablet.
Can we get a professional to open this?
I did. What else you want?
All right, take that out. That should be the
plate. Off the plate. The billet plate.
Oh, damn! Flip it around. Alright. Yeah, take all this off. Take it out. Where's the extra shifter for that? Open that up too? Well, just open that. This table can be any smaller. Sheesh!
Maxpeedingrods.
Cancel.
Alright, here you go. Here's a little tools.
Okay, that's the Allen keys.
Oh shit! The Big Dick Bandit has arrived.
Oh, yeah, put it on. Put it on. Yeah.
I was making sure it was a little.
If you had a manual, you could.
Oh shit!
You see, this is everything.
Huh?
It goes backwards.
Oh, it goes like this, right?
I know.
So if you guys want to pick this up, this shifter box, right? Shifter box?
Yes.
Okay, shifter box.
Billet adjustable shifter box.
There you go. Or some coilovers, freaking turbo.
Yeah.
They got also turbo kits. You can get it at Maxpeedingrods.com. Add them on Facebook. Where's it at? Facebook, email, phone number, right there.
Oh, don't forget.
And also, if you guys want to pick something up from that website, you can use code LOST. L-O-S-T. LOST to get 15. Not 10, not 5, 15% off. So yeah, go to the website,
I got a letter for you.
buy whatever you guys want, use the code LOST. L-O-S-T. Bang, 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 bang. If you want to be
You give this to the big guy. Try to break it.
You gotta.
go ahead,
try to snap
break it.
No, it don't work.
It don't work?
Are you low on money? Do you need some affordable, cheap parts?
Go to Maxpeedingrods.com. There you go. What do you guys think about this so far?
I honestly, personally, I drove in a hybrid racing K-Tune, and this feels pretty good.
And I
for the
have
price and the quality that it looks. Haven't tested it out, but we'll definitely give an update with the test. Feels pretty good, and then like all the adjustments and everything that it has, it's pretty similar to the other brands.
Sheesh. Also, shout out to Ella, if that's how you pronounce her name, for hitting me up on Instagram to get any product to review for our channel. Greatly appreciate it. Oh my god, look at that short shifter.
Let's go put this shit up.
This dude acts like he's low. Come on. There you go. No burnout, bro? How we gonna test the shifter box? This guy.
Do it.
Whoa. Quick release, huh, Yancy?
Quick release. Diablo, como lo jala.
How am I supposed to know that?
Oh, get that fake diesel arm out the way. I can't see nothing.
Yo.
Yikes. Wow, Yancy, that's ugly. So, you're pretty sure it's just plug and play, Kevin?
Yes, sir.
What?
Give me your ugly ass shifter box.
It's just too far down there.
Bro, una galleta que te doy. Oh, maldito freco. Put it over here, that piece of junk. Look at that plastic. Look at it. Johnson, You put that in there like this?
Don't talk to me. Talk to the mechanic, nigga.
Whoa.
You didn't drill that shit, nigga.
Yeah, you have to, nigga.
Okay, but you drilled it?
Like this?
Yeah, he drilled it like that, nigga.
Looks like you need an upgrade, but too bad it's coming to me later.
Yeah, we'll see about that.
What? I think this billet is too nice for your car, bro. Billet is what actually Wolverine uses on his claws.
Yeah? So I thought it was adamantium.
Nah, nah, it's not. It's billet. Yeah, you know, bro.
David.
That was a big stretch.
I gotta blow my nose.
You could blow something else.
Can you stop and record the man? Go down there and record.
This is your car. You will be going
Give
down.
me, yo. Go down there and record.
You want dirty sweat? There you go. Now put poke 2 holes. That's it.
David!
What you gonna do now, boy?
Hey!
Here.
You want me to hold it up top or down, okay?
Whoa! Pause.
I think it won't even fit, bro. This ain't meant for that.
Yeah, push it all the way down here. Oh, the L key.
This ain't meant for that. That's not the same L key, bro. You don't believe in your own boy? No faith?
This is the L key.
Okay, I pushed it down a little bit more. Right there. Push it.
Hey, this nigga got no faith, bro. I tell they give me the fucking thing, right? Throw it out here, Kevin. Drop it with force. Like it's a bad hat. Wow.
My leg!
Oh my god. Race car, right?
David, look.
I can't look.
Look.
Making videos.
Maxpeedingrods. Adjustable coilover springs.
Johnson, you sure, man? This is too nice for this crap ass car, bro.
It's also getting all that love, right?
For real. Wow, man. It was real, actually.
Okay.
What?
Oh, the cabinet.
Wow, nice and tight. How we like it, right?
How does it feel?
The throw, it feels just like my my hybrid. A little bit. Mine's a little bit shorter, but you know.
Yeah, but you can't go wrong with it. For the price, it doesn't seem bad quality.
Look, it's good.
This fucking guy. Oh, they're trying to talk like highly about it, they're jerking it off.
I'm showing you that's good. It's nice and sturdy. No.
Damn, that shit stiff as fuck, bro. Jeez. Look, no play. This is mad stiff compared to factory. I like it.
How's the throws?
It's pretty good.
I told you, it feels
Nice and
almost
smooth. No jiggle, like OEM. How much is this?
I think like 100 something.
That's not bad.
Is it not bad?
That's pretty good price. I'd pay for it.
We're gonna burn rubber with it tomorrow, right?
I don't know about that. Yo, it's wet outside.
Come on, Daddy. K-Series for what?
Take that base model. I give it a little thumbs up.
Get off the farm, man.
Yeah.
It's loose.
Yeah. It's like vibrating right in the middle here, so it's not the shifter. Sounds like booty. Oh my god. Oh, my Crocs.
For a budget build, I think this is a perfect setup for it. It has all the all the features that like the K-Tune has. Like you can do the add-ons to it, like to lock it out and stuff like that. Like you can see like all the bolts right there for like to help it lock out and shit like that.
Yep.
And it just feels good, all the adjustments and stuff. It feels a lot better than the factory for the price that you could get it for.
Yeah, I think it's like 100 something. I think I could be wrong. I think it's like 150.
Yeah.
But with that discount code, 15% off.
Yeah.
Remember that.
Yeah,
Code LOST. LOST. You can buy one of these bad boys for cheap. Get to it. I mean, you can do it by job. I mean, whatever you want. But if the policía están aquí, no la culpa mía. Oh, vámonos de aquí.
It is, it dies out. You felt it die out?
Yeah, but it's not tuned, so.
Yeah. But yours ain't either, yours drives better.
It's a turbo, makes a big difference.
The tune makes a difference too.
Got to. Still holding, boys. Still holding. Yeah, so it held up. It's still good. Remember, if you want anything from Maxpeedingrods.com, I'll put the link in the description. The discount code is LOST, L-O-S-T, for 15% off the whole entire store. If you guys want to cop one of those, if you want to follow my cousin as well, his Instagram is right there. I think it's YG Civic 94. If you want to ask him questions about it, ask him right there. His Instagram right there. I'll put it right here. His Instagram right here. Put it right there. So yeah, thanks for watching, boys.